Hey, my name is Eric from Michigan with my MBtek 50 Phoenix boiler. This is the 170K unit. I'm using this for in-floor heat in my barndominium, which is a 3,000 square foot home here in Michigan, which gets down to 0, 5 degrees. And this just keeps up with my home. You can tell it is not gonna be able to heat my garage as well, but it does no problem heating a big 2-story, 3,000 square foot home, so I'm pretty happy with it. There's 2 or 3 things that I learned with it. The big one is the type of pellets you use are a big deal. In Michigan, we have a lot of hardwood pellets. Easy Heat from Tractor Supply, these softwood pellets work really good and the smoke burns clean. I have it hooked up with a good intake and exhaust, so I had a heating contractor that specializes in pellets come out and do this for me. My normal HVAC guys would not do it. The pellet guy did a great job hooking my exhaust up. And a thing that I learned is you don't want to wire your pump into the unit, though the book says that you can. The voltage is different. And so this is for my thermostat, but my power, this silver line, now goes to my wall because we burned our first $200 pump. I had to replace that because the voltage is way too hot here in the unit. But overall, works really good. I use 1 or 2 bags a day when it's really cold. And then during the warmer months, I use 1 bag for about every 4 days because it just heats my hot water holder right now. And it does a really good job. I purchased this ash vacuum from Amazon. So when I clean it about once a week in the winter and about once a month in the summer. And I use this. You have to use an ash vacuum. Any other vacuum just kicks soot into the air. And when I clean it, you empty your 3 trays here at the bottom. There's a big one and 2 small ones to the left and the right. I then vacuum out all the ash that sits on the lip and on the inside. And then I run a brush just like this on the inside of the bucket to kind of clean out all the little holes inside of there. And when you do those steps, this baby runs really hot and clean and you have no problems with soot. It burns pretty efficient that way. Again, in the winter, I do that about once a week. And I'm gonna show you real quick my exhaust because it was a little problematic trying to figure out what to do here in Michigan for exhaust. But this is what it looks like on the exterior of my house. I do not have a chimney. I have an exhaust unit like that, the little white intake there. And I installed a little cap here at the bottom for when I clean it out once a year, I can just snap that off and run a cleaner all the way up there. And that's it, MBtek 50. I love it. If you're looking to be off grid, this is a good option for you.